Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my viewers, back at it one more time. We are on the same property here. And as you can see behind me here, yeah, this was a jungle. We cut it down to do some farming on it. And as you see, we have a lot of fire burn here. And when it comes to the fire, the burning of the fire, it is good to plant. So all here is gonna be pumpkin. You understand? Stick around, let me show you what's going on with here, alright? Okay, my viewers, as you can see, there's a lot of fire burn here. So in every fire heap, we're going to plant a root of pumpkin. As you can see. Right around here. Yeah. Fire heap. So we're gonna keep on burn the fire right through the plantation because we need the burning areas to plant the pumpkin. You understand what I'm saying? As you can see, there's a lot of tree root here. Yeah. There's a lot of tree root because here was a wilderness. As you can see, tree roots. But it's all about pumpkin. It's all about pumpkin. We can catch a pumpkin at the tree root there. Everywhere where you see any burning, pumpkin. As you can see, the area look pumpkinish. You know what I mean? So the tractor can plow everywhere, every part of here because there is a lot of tree root. You know what I mean? So the tractor is going to come through and plow where he can plow. But as I said before, every burning, every fire, we're gonna plant the pumpkin root there. All these chunks of wood here, the tractor is gonna push them away. As you can see straight ahead, all these chunks, the tractor is going to push them away. Alright, the tractor is going to pull what he can pull out.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
We're gonna push them. Alright, to clear the land. As you can see, more fire burning. There's a lot of chunk of wood here. Alright, the tractor is going to push them all over here. All over here in this piece of gully here. Alright, all over here. The tractor is going to push all these wood chunks over here to get more space to plant pumpkin. Alright, as you can see. Yeah. As you can see. So a couple months from now, there's gonna be pumpkin all over here. Pumpkin all over here. Alright. My viewers and my subscribers, big as the chunk is, the tractor can push it away. Alright. I'm going up the top to show you what's going on. When you come on Jamaican Farmers Hut channel, it's all about a farming revolution. Alright. When we say farming revolution, it's all about we have to plant something. If you understand what I'm saying here. There's a lot of chunks here. There's a lot of wood here. The tractor is gonna push them away down into that gully. Alright, yeah, more fire burning. It's all about plant the pumpkin root right into the fire. Yeah, into the fire burning. So we get the pumpkin much bigger. You know, because that area is burned. Alright. Ah, tio. Yeah, man, clearance.
No, I'm not going to go right in the
Go right in the Migueles, so go right through Migueles and go over.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, make some track pass, some new track pass. See? Yeah, man, clearance for the tractor come through the village. See? Yes, I. Stick and stay. My viewers and my subscribers, it's a farming revolution, alright? We are here and I'm trying to do my best to give you some nice video, you know what I mean? Yeah? So I'm gonna do a video back on the pumpkin. We have a next piece of pumpkin over the other side. I'm gonna go there to do a next video. So that is a next update on the pumpkin over that side. So what we are trying to do, we have a big market for pumpkin. So we have to plant a lot. So that is what we are doing now, getting some space to plant pumpkin, all right? Yeah, man. So all these burning, all these hashes, good for planting the pumpkin, all right? So yeah, it's all about we getting some space, yeah? Put in some pumpkin, you know, the pumpkin like the rocky place, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know. So all those wood thump, the tractor is gonna push them away back down into that gully there. Alright, so stick around for that. As you can see, we try to burn fire each and every angle. Yeah, because we need the burning. Yeah. So all these area was wilderness, but they have cut down, you know. Sam and Kevin cut down all these places here. Yeah. So yeah, man, couple months from now, it's gonna be pure pumpkin around here. Yeah, man, pumpkin around here. It's gonna be a lot of pumpkin, you know what I mean? Yeah. More burning. This is more burning. You know what I mean? More burning up there. It's all about planting the pumpkin into the burning of the ashes. Yeah. So you get a bigger root of pumpkin, you know what I mean? It bear bigger, look fresher, everything in one because the ashes, yeah. And 1 and 2 banana and plantain tree can inside also because the plantain and the banana like the rocky place, you know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, as you can see straight ahead, look at this big piece of land here. It is time to put in some food. Yes, my viewers, I make a new pass. I make a new pass for the tractor, you know. New pass. Come right through and go right through there. Yeah? So stick and stay, you will see what's going on. Alright? Yes, sir. Not even the highway. Yes, sir. You understand? See here at Jamaican farmers that it is time to put in some food. See? Yeah. We have a lot of shade here from this tree. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut some limbs, you know? We're gonna cut some limbs or fall some of these trees here to get rid of some of the shady. Alright? But trust me, we have to plant something. Yeah, man. It's all about farming, my viewers. See? So yeah, you hear it on Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright? My name is Ever Slick. You're just joining in. Yeah? More hashes, more hashes. Hashes is very good for the plant. And when the soil is burned, all those insect out of the soil is burned out. You know what I mean? So the plant get more nutrients, yeah, to grow. Alright? As you can see, all these fire burns here. All these fire burn here, yeah. So it's all about just make up a bungle and burn it. Each and every corner we catch, because we have to plant the pumpkin into the fire burn. Alright? Notice how this tree here is very green. It don't get any nutrients nor fertilizer, but look at it. Very green and beautiful. Just getting a little water now and then, and the sunlight is here. As I don't know, every plant need the sunlight. This is fertilizer, some goat doodoo. Fertilizer after burn in the sun for a couple hours, couple days, yeah? Alright. Fire burning. Good to plant in it. So yes, my viewers and subscribers, stick around to see what's going on. Alright? Feel free to watch another video, alright? Yeah? Feel free to watch another video, my viewers. Stick on the channel, stick and stay. You will learn a lot. Alright, my viewers. My name is Ever Slick. Peace. And I'm out.